2020 Pascal contest for grade 9. Part 4. How to finish Part 8 questions in less than 5 minutes. In Part 1 of this course, we talked about how to get into the top 1% by spending only 5 minutes for the 10 questions in Part A of the Pascal math contest. And that's equivalent to 30 seconds per question. Is this achievable, you may ask? Well, with a little bit of practice, yes. Now, what I'm going to do right now is to demonstrate how you can solve the first 10 questions within 5 minutes, starting from now. Now, let's set up the timer, starting from now. Question number 1. The expression 2 times 3 plus 2 times 3 equals 2 times 3 gives us 6. And we need to calculate multiplication first before add them up. So that's another 6. 6 plus 6 equals 12. So the answer is D, 12. Question number 2. The perimeter of a square is 28. We know that the 4 sides of the square are equal. So the side length of this square is 28 divided by 4 equals 7. The answer is E, 7. Question number 3. In the diagram, some of the hexagons are shaded. Let's draw a line for easy counting. 6 hexagons above it and 3 below it. Altogether, we have 9 hexagons. And what fraction of all the hexagons are shaded? We have 5 shaded hexagons. So the answer is B, 5 over 9. Question number 4. The diagram shows the percentage of the student who receive either a muffin, a granola bar, a fruit, or a yogurt. And no students receive more than one of these snacks. We are asked to find out the percentage of the student who did not receive a muffin. From the graph, we know that 38% of the students receive a muffin. 1 minus 38 equals 62 will give us the percentage of the students who did not receive a muffin. So the answer is D, 62%. Question number 5. What is the smallest integer that can be placed in the box so that this equation will work? Box over 9 is higher than 1/2, so that the box will be more than 1/2 times 9 equals 4.5. So the smallest integer that is higher than 4.5 will be D, 5. Question number 6. We have this equation and we are asked to find out the value of 2x. Let's move 4x to the right. That leaves us 4x and 48 to the left equals 62. So 2x equals 31. The answer is B, 31. Question number 7. In the diagram, point B is on the number line at 3 and V at 33. So the length of PV equals 33 minus 3 equals 30. And then this number line is divided into 6 equal parts. So each part equals 30 divided by 6 equals 5. Then we need to add up the length of PS and TV. PS and TV. That means the total line of 30 minus this missing part. So that's 30 minus 5 equals 25. The answer is A, 25. Question number 8. The median of the numbers in this series is, to find out the median, we need to list the numbers from smallest to the largest, and the middle one will be the median. Now let's find out the smallest. 20 over 19 is slightly above 1. So that's smallest. 20 times 19 equals 380. And we know these 20 to the power of 19 or 19 to the power of 20 are super huge. We simply place to the top 2. And whatever missing will be the median, which is 2019. So the answer is D, 2019. Question number 9. In the diagram, each partially shaded circle has a radius 1 and a right angle mark at its center. For a circle At right angle, it means 90 degrees. A circle has 360 degrees, so the shaded area is 3/4 of a circle times pi times r square. R square equals 1 cm times 12 equals 9 pi. So the answer is D, 9 pi. Last question. 3 1 by 1 by 1 cubes are joined face to face. They have 11 exposed faces, which is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, plus the two ends. So if we ask to place 60 1 by 1 by 1 cubes in there, how many faces are exposed? So that will be 3 times 60 plus 2 equals 182. So the answer is C, 182. Now time's up. We just finished 10 questions within 5 minutes.